The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. The sequence starts with 0, 1 and continues as 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, and so on. The sequence is named after Leonardo Fibonacci, an Italian mathematician who introduced the sequence to the Western world in his book Liber Abaci, which he wrote in 1202. The Fibonacci sequence appears in nature, such as in the branching of trees, the arrangement of leaves on a stem, the shape of seashells and the spirals of galaxies. It also has applications in mathematics, computer science, and finance. The ratio of any two successive numbers in the Fibonacci sequence approaches the golden ratio, a mathematical constant approximately equal to 1.618, which has many interesting mathematical and geometric properties. The Fibonacci sequence is a fascinating and important mathematical concept that has captured the imaginations of mathematicians, scientists, and artists for centuries. The Fibonacci sequence appears in various aspects of the human body, particularly in its proportions and growth patterns. Here are some examples. Finger proportions. The length of the bones in our fingers follows the Fibonacci sequence. The ratio between the length of our fingers from the tip to the knuckle is close to 1.618, the golden ratio. Facial proportions. The human face is also said to follow the golden ratio in its proportions. This includes the distances between the eyes, nose, and mouth, and the overall shape of the face. Leaf and branch arrangement. The pattern of leaves and branches on trees and plants often follows the Fibonacci sequence. The number of leaves or branches at each level of growth tends to be a Fibonacci number. Spiral patterns. The spiral patterns in the human ear, the cochlea, and the arrangement of hair follicles on our scalp also follow the Fibonacci sequence. DNA molecules. The spiral pattern of DNA molecules is also thought to follow the golden ratio. While these patterns are not exact, they are observed in many instances in the human body and in nature, suggesting a deep connection between mathematics and the natural world. Now let's understand Fibonacci retracement matters in today's volatile markets. Fibonacci retracement is a technical analysis tool used to identify potential levels of support and resistance in a market trend. It is based on the idea that markets tend to retrace a predictable portion of a move, after which they continue in the original direction. The Fibonacci retracement levels are derived from the Fibonacci sequence and are represented by horizontal lines drawn on a chart that indicates where the price might encounter support or resistance. These levels are 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 100%. Traders use Fibonacci retracement levels to identify potential entry and exit points in the market. For example, if the price of an asset has been in an uptrend, a trader might look for a retracement down to one of the Fibonacci levels as a potential buying opportunity. Conversely, if the price has been in a downtrend, a trader might look for a retracement up to one of the Fibonacci levels as a potential selling opportunity. It is important to note that Fibonacci retracement levels are not always accurate and should be used in conjunction with other technical indicators and analysis tools. Additionally, it is important to have a clear understanding of market trends and the underlying fundamentals that are driving the price action. So please subscribe my channel if you like the content.